Okay, for this last problem, John Dennis, we want during the first and third month only. So that means the probability that at least once for month 1, and that's the first month, times none for the second month, exactly 0, times at least once for the third month. Okay, so I know that this one and this one are the same. And so I can say 2 times this, and this is going to be the probability that x is bigger than or equal to 1. Oh, not times 2 squared. I don't want times 2, I want squared. Squared times the probability that it equals 0. Well, we know this, our calculator doesn't do this very well, so we have to go 1 minus the probability of it equaling 0. Squared times the probability that it equals 0. So that's where they come up with this scenario of bigger than 0 squared, because this has to be at least 1, and this one has to be at least 1, and this has to be exactly 0. I hope that's enough explanation. If not, let me know.